So I'm Jewel Ramos. This is my new account. So subscribe mo na yan kung gusto mo pa ng more dance tutorial videos. So yan, I'm a dancer, and by the way guys, this choreography is choreographed by Crayon, and I don't know how to pronounce her name. So let's get started. So guys, first step tayo. This is the right hand, this is the left hand. And so when you cross and open, boom boom. Paan naman, open, boom boom. Yung kanan nyo pupunta sa harap, boom boom. So when you do this, ha, boom boom. Magkasabay sila. Ha, boom boom. Yeah.
So, ito yung next movement. Ipupunta nyo yung paa nyo sa likod nyo, yung kanan na paa nyo, and then tapek.
Yes. So yung kamay niya, 1, 2, boom boom, ha. Yes, next nakakross. Open, boom boom, and tap, and. Lagay dito na and tap, and. Bale, right, left, right, left, right, left. Lagay nyo ng paa, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Gets? But this has more to do. By the way guys, sa movement na next one is pwede siyang tawaging slide or glide. Pero ito siya, ha, ha. Gets? So bale, left tayo, left. Kaliwa, left side. 1, 2. Gets? Bale, cross. And boom. Tap, tap. 1, 2. Gets? Yung kamay niya is like cross, cross. Ganito. Ito. Bale, cross, cross. Gets? Bale, cross. Ha? Bubu. Ha? Ha? You. Bale, cross. Ha? Bubu. Ha? Ha? You. Next one. Cross lang siya ulit. Kung siya cross, so bale, ha, ha. Ha, ha. Pag iba na siya, boom, ha, 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 ha. Gets? So bale, yung form niya is, tatalo lang kayo. Jump, jump, and front. Yung kanan nyo mapupunta sa front. So bale, you, nasa kanan tayo. Pag nag-jump tayo, front. And combine siya na ito. Bale, you. Gets? Next, wave lang yung kamay, pasay. Kanan to, kanan. Ha, ha. Wave, it's like yung dagat pag maagos. Gets? 1. Para bas magmukha siya ng ha, ha. So, pag inuha siya, 5 last 4, pagka-jump, last 4, boom, boom. Next, 1, 2. 1, 2. Dito niya, 1, 2. Bale, step, ha, and step, ha. Bale, step, ha, step, ha. Gets? Bale, step, ha, step, ha. Dito niya siya, ha, ha. So, pag gumagalaw yung kamay nyo, kasabay siya ng right na paa. Ha? Ha? Gets? Mas mga pa siyang nagiging clear. So, yun. Pag inuman siya, ha, ha, boom, and lang, tap, 1, 2.
This time I want you. Like it's my day. Time I want you. Like it's my day.
1, 2. Head, chest, hips, down, back. Head, chest, hips, down, back. Bale, ulo, chest, hips, down, boom. Gets? Boom. Pwede nyo siya lagyan ng boom. Boom. Gets? So, next tayo. You. Next time siya ulit. It's like, lagi ginagamit to. So, bale, ha, and laki. Yes? Ha, and laki. Right na paa. It's like lang. 1, 2. Yes?
Ito yung next step.
And, super. Yes, yun siya. Bale, yung isang kaliwang kamay is dito sa hips. Yung kanan na kamay is sa cup. Ha, ha. So, pag inano siya, ha, ha. Yes? Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Next, left and right. Left and right. Iangat mo lang siya. Iangat mo yung left and right nyo. Tapos, susundan lang ng kamay nyo, parang direction. Yes? Bale, ha, ha. 1, 2. Yes? So, bale, wait, move, back, 1 and 2, superficial. Yes? So, bale, wait, move, back, 1 and 2, superficial.
This time I want you. You. Like it's my kind of day. You. Super weekly. I want you. You. Like it's my kind of day. You. Super weekly.
Yes, bale, feet, literally, left, right, bale, left, right, left. Para kayong naka-down yung ulo nyo. Nakaganto, then tumikit. Hindi nyo pa siya, bale, ha, move. Sa lyrics na, yeah. So, ginawa nyo siya, yeah, move. Bale, ikot yung kamay nyo pa right. 1, 2, move. Yeah, move. Yeah, move. 5, 6, 7, go, wait, move, back, yeah. Super, and 1, 2, 3, yeah. Move. Bale, yeah. Move. Bale, dalawa siya. 1, 2, yung left naman pupunta dito sa right side. Yung kaliwa ko sa right side siya pupunta. Bale, 1, right, yung ganun siya ulit. Move. Tapos, tap, right, left, right. Sa likod siya. Right, left, right. Bale, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Move. Ha. So, guys, dito sa part na ito, may gagawin kayo. Bale, iwan siya. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Move.
Tak. So, as you can see, di ba tatlong step dapat yon. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Pero mistap ako dun sa pang 1, 2 kasi may gagawin tayong hand, which is ganito. Ikot mo siya, and tak. Opposite lang. Ikot, parang kayo nagme-majorette. Ikot, tap. Bale, opposite siya. Yung kanan natin, pababa. Yung left naman, paangat. Yan, opposite. So, ha, boom.
Bale, pag iwanan natin siya, boom, tap, ikot, 1, 2. So, yung paa niya is, it's like rugby, 1, 2, 1, 2, bababa yung right, 1, 2. Sipin nyo yung katawan nyo, connected siya sa kamay nyo, 1, 2. Next, boom. Bale, 1, 2. 1, 2. So, 1, 2. Move. Meron kayo marinig na tap. So, yung kamay niya is tap. Parang hayaan mo yan. So, bale, tap. So, pag ginawa niyo siya, may combination yung paa. Tap. So, pag ginawa niyo na siya, back. 1, 2, tap. And 4 kayo. Pagka-tap nyo, 4. Naka-mid. Di ba nakataas ako? Sa mid kayo. Mid. Yan. So, pag ginawa niyo siya, slide that, boom, and tap, 4. Ha, ha. Yes, yan. Ha, ha. This is the last part. So, yung last part, guys, ha, ha, ha. So, para kayong may inikot na bola sa ulo nyo. Ulo ko. So, ginawa ko siya, di ba? Slide that, boom, ha, 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 ha. Right? Boom, 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 boom. Bale, 4 steps siya. After neto, di ba? Mid, boom, boom, 4 step, front, back. Pag ginawa ko siya, nang may hawak kong bola, right, left, back. Tapos, hawi lang, U. Gets? Super. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Boom. Like this, like that. 1, 2, 3. Up and boom. Up and
Yeah, super weakly. Yeah. Like it's magnetic. Super weakly. Like I want you, baby. This time I want you. You. Like it's magnetic. Super weakly. Like it's magnetic. Super weakly. Like I want you, baby. This time I want you. Like it's magnetic. You. Super weakly. You. Like it's magnetic. Super weakly. Like I want you, baby. This time I want you. Like it's magnetic. You. Super weakly. You. Like it's magnetic. Super weakly. Like I want you, baby.
So, hey guys! Yun, nag-enjoy ako and yun, pagod din. So, yun. I hope you guys enjoy my dance video because this is my first ever video and I hope mag-request pa kayo ng more dance tutorial vids. So, para more content tayo dito guys. And yun, don't forget to subscribe, Jewel Ramos. And yeah, thank you!